Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about how we could convert data type from integer to string, string to integer, double to integer, and different data type. You will use this conversion a lot in your project. So to get started, I will just click right here. I click in new class. I will name it convert. Okay. Then click terminal. I will get my method that I want to exclude everything in its main. So let me suppose I have one integer character, name it age equal 27. Okay, and I have salary, it is double. Okay, salary equal 3.5. Okay, this is two data type. I want to convert them to string. So imagine I want a salary to be a string. I would say, okay, string in new salary. Let me suppose that. So you cannot add this one to this one because this is double and this data type is string. So how we convert it? To convert any data type to string, any data type to string, just say write string in capital, then say value of. So then you could add any data type here. For example, salary. Hey, here you go. Now I converted salary to string. Imagine I want to do same thing for age. So I say new age. You cannot say directory, you cannot add a directory, as you know, because it is integer and this one string. So to convert integer to string, just say string dot value of. Okay, then here you go. I give it the age. This is how to convert a string. To add note, I will say double slash, I say convert to string. So to convert any data type to string, just say string dot value of. I just missed from first video to tell you about boolean also. Also you have boolean, so you could say boolean in this way is true equal false. So booleans take either true or false, doesn't have a lot of conditions, so it's boolean. It is either true or false. So either give it value as true or either false. It is one of data type. So you could also convert it to string. Also same way, you say string in new is true equal string dot value of the boolean. It is this one. You could give it unconverted. That's really easy. So this is how convert to string. So how we could convert? Let me do convert to integer. Okay. Let me have another data type here. It is name. It's string name. Let's say Hussein. I don't say Hussein. I don't say name. I would say rate, and the rate should be added as 3.6 in this way. Someone want to add this in type of string. So I want to convert the rate to integer. So I say okay, integer in new rate equal. You cannot say new rate equal rate. Why? Because that type string and this data type integer. You want to convert data type to integer, just write integer first character integer in this way. Make sure it's first character capital dot. You say vars. Vars you mean dot vars integer. That means you convert string to integer. So take rate and convert it. So I mean I'm taking it as string, vars it as integer, added here as integer. Something you could do it in double. So you say new salary. Okay, make sure add new before it. You want to take only the integer part. You cannot say salary directory because do you know what? I cannot say salary directory because salary is double and this one is integer. So when I want to convert from one data type and another data type, they are belong to same field. That's mean integer to float, float to integer. I could do casting. What that mean casting? Casting mean I have this integer float. It's have some additional information like for example 3.5. I want to convert to integer. To do casting, take first data type. Add it here. Just open a bracket. Add the first data type. Close it. That's mean hey, take this salary, convert it to integer, and added this new salary. You know the salary is 3.5, so because I converted to integer, then new salary will be only 3. The 5 will be taken off. So this is how to convert to integer. So Casting, you will see it a lot in Android because you need to convert from one data type to other. So to convert one data type to other, it's really easy. Just take the first data type here, add it here between two brackets, and here you go. What about convert to double? Convert to double. Okay. If I say double, a new rate. Okay, the rate should be double. So it's string. So I say double dot verse because I need to convert string this rate. Sorry. Verse double dot verse double. I will take a rate. And here we go. That's mean, hey, take the string, varse it to double. Also, you could say double a new age. The age is integer. You know age. Age is its integer, we have it. But you cannot say age equal double. You need to cast it. I want to cast integer to double. I just open a bracket, close it. That's mean, hey, take the integer, cast it to double, add it to a new integer. This one. What need duplicate local variable, a new age double, because the name is already saved. Here you go. Now you understand how I could cast a double to integer, and how we could cast integer to double, and how we could varse string to integer and string to double. I know you now thinking, you say, why I cannot do casting from string to integer? That's mean for example here in the same this line you want to do casting. That's mean you don't want to do all this the vars. You need to do just casting. Casting mean you just add first one and do casting in this way. So this will not work because casting mean two things are belong to same data type. For example, integer and double, 3.5 and 3. Both of them are belong to numbers, so you could do casting between numbers, but you cannot do casting between string and integer because different data type. So this one will not work. So make sure whenever you want to, not different data type, different category, as I told you, number you could do casting between them, but you cannot do between number and string. So when you do between number and string or float and string, you do vars, but when you do between number, float and integer and float double, you could do casting. Here we done, and thank you for watching.